Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we start the iX touring project. We're doing a motor swap of sorts, still all-wheel drive, so it could be an M20, could be something else. It's probably an M20, could also be something else. But we are starting the project on this car. My client needs a few parts off an iX, so it's only fair that I take it off this car since it's not really needed. So by the time this video comes out, most of this stuff will already be, pre-sold. New stuff will be available. So if you're interested in any parts, rageitparts.com or rageitparts on Instagram or @themassdriver on Instagram. But anyway, we're going to be getting rid of front bumper, rear, valence. I already sold the rear bumper. This motor will be for sale. I've put 1,000 miles on this motor and it's treated me very well. But this M20 will be for sale. Pretty much everything in this engine bay will be for sale. Interior wise, dash is coming out. It is almost crack free. There's a little crack in it, so it's still technically a cracked dash. That'll be for sale. Seats, carpet, not selling for right now, but you never know. I always everything's always for sale. 5-speed knob for sale. All the iX stuff, at least the flares will be for sale, as I have another set for the car. Like I said, rear bumper already sold. 410 VLSD will be for sale. Trailing arms will be for sale. Subframe will be for sale, but reinforced and powder coated. rageitparts.com. I have the new chassis harness in there. And so this chassis harness will be for sale. It is a Euro chassis harness for touring. It will be missing a few pigtails that I need to cut. So this one will be swapped over to my client Ben's car. I believe he also needs that one just because his are all broken. For the most part, this thing's coming apart. I won't be dealing with any of the rust for right now. We're just going to get the motor swap in, get it running and driving again as quickly, quote unquote, quickly as possible. For right now, if anyone's got a cheap set of Z3M trailing arms, which I know aren't cheap, but if you got a set, that would be great. I would love a set of those. I'll probably have to part a car out for that though. Let's go ahead and get this thing torn down. We are not talking about what motor's going in it this video because I don't have it yet. So it's on its way here. I do also have a video right here for a normal E30. This is an iX, so there are a few differences between, which we'll go over. But for the most part, it's pretty much the same. It's an M20. DME ECUs in the glove box. You got to take that out. That's normal. Motor, we're going to drop out from the bottom. The only thing that we need to disconnect would be the exhaust. And we'll do the rear drive shaft. The front drive shaft you can leave on because we're dropping the trans with the motor. Still has the same 4 bolts holding the cradle in, the front subframe. Front subframe is different. And what I typically recommend for iX cars, when you get the wheels off, go ahead and blast the front axle nuts off, just so, at the end of it, it's not like a pain trying to get them off when the motor's out. I'm going to drop the whole front subframe with it, so it's suspension and subframe. And then it'll come out. We'll go ahead and jack the car up to the sky and get everything as low as possible. The hardest part about getting the motor out typically is getting the intake manifold to go off the bottom of the core support. If you have a Rage It Parts removable core support, makes life super easy. You don't even have to jack the car up. You could just remove the core support and just right out the front. But unfortunately, this car doesn't have it. It will get it. But for right now, nice and quick. Motor out, motor back in, get it running, and do the stuff we need to do before we do more stuff to it. Motor is out. Just gotta lower the back end and jack the front up of the car. But typically I would leave this all attached to the motor. But I wanted to, because I'm going to reinstall this real quick. I figured it was easier to unbolt it first, get it out of the way, drop the motor, pull it out, and then slap that right back in. But like I said, undo your axle nuts on the front and you'll be able to do that. Nothing is really different from an E30 as far as getting the wiring out of the hole right there. You got your 4 bolts for your trans brace. The only thing different for the inside for the shifter is there are 2 13 mils, one right there and then one on the other side right there, as it's held in from the top, not the back. But other than that, everything is pretty much the same as a normal M20 would be. So let's finish getting this out and start inspecting for some rust. I found a little bit more. Let's see, you can probably see that spot right there. But yeah, we're gonna start finding some stuff, which not excited about, but that is when you get a project, you get a project. And just like that, motor's out. Very sketch, but it does work sometimes. So I got to get this moved, that back on the ground, get this mess cleaned up. Just like that, motor's out, wheels are back on. Look at that gap. And now to tear apart some more stuff. With the engine gone, start tearing apart the interior. I typically work rear to front because we can start working on, well, it's not like a typical E30, so it's going to be a little different for the chassis harness for the rear. So I'll probably start front to back, but I will cover the rear tear down because this front section here, all E30, same. This section back, a little different. So I'll cover the tear down of the interior in its own video. But motor's out for sale, if it's not already sold, which it probably will be by the time this video's up. But new motor coming soon. I'll be working on a ton of iX products coming soon with this development. So hopefully by the time these videos come out, maybe I'll already have some products available and each video will be a different product. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. Have a great day.